Welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet right here on Trey Mountain, North Georgia. We're sitting right on the top of the mountain on a little camp right on the side of the trail. We got a view of the mountains that way, mountains that way. A little breezy up here, so we've got this our slumberjack roadhouse tarp set up just like we did last night with one side down on it. And right here, as speaking of last night, I'm gonna put in a clip of the sunrise this morning. It was breathtaking. So tonight we're keeping it simple. We got some Porter Road dry age New York strip steaks. Appreciate those guys. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description box below down to Porter Road. You can buy that direct from them from Porter Road. We're gonna try them out, give you an honest take on what we think about them, and we're gonna do some baked sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do those right over on the coals, so let's go get it started. So over here to the side, I've started up some B&B lump charcoal, and some of y'all be asking, why you're not doing it on campfire? Well, I don't know what kind of wood we got in there. It's just whatever's laying around, and it could be hemlock. I know I did find some poplar. I can tell because it's got green, kind of a green tinge inside, and so we got the campfire going for the first time on this trip. First time we've had a real place to put it. And we lucked out. We got to this place here on Trey Mountain and there's nobody here, period. Been a little while. Been turning those sweet potatoes. We're gonna go over here and season our steaks. Today we're just gonna use Montreal steak seasoning. Use your favorite, whatever it happens to be. We wanna season these about, I don't know, 10 minutes prior. Wouldn't let them sit there too much longer. The salt will pull moisture out of them. But I like to get that little bit of outside crust on them. And that helps a lot, is the seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and spray that grill. We'll spray olive oil. We want that thing pretty hot. Folks, going to the grill. We like ours medium rare, so only leaving that on that side for maybe 3-4 minutes. Taking them off. That's a little camp setup to carry around. Just a homemade frame, homemade plate that we use for the Dutch oven on camp grills or on this frame, and an old grill off an old gas grill. All that made for free, and it's very versatile. Thanks for watching along this little Backwoods gourmet adventure we've been on here, and I hope you enjoyed some of the clips we dropped you up there on the way. You know, camp's been great, and the whole reason that I've been doing this thing for the last 14 years is to teach y'all there's a better way to camp cook than just warming up some beanie weenies, cook some hot dogs, maybe roast a marshmallow. You can eat just as good out here at camp as you can back at the house. Just a little bit of knowledge, and I hope I'm teaching you that here. Like I said, don't rely on this video for everything we're teaching. Go back, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then go back and look at our channel page. We got almost 500 videos with very, very good knowledge on how to cook that. Campfire cooking, Dutch oven, cast iron, grilling, all that kind of stuff you can use right out here when you go camping. You'll never be eating no more McDonald's or leftover Kentucky Fried Chicken when you get to camp if you go back and watch our channel. So if you like what you're seeing, please smash that like button right down there. You can subscribe to our channel right over there for another great camping video. Cooking out here in the outdoors, we're going to be doing this all week. You can do it right there. And for a whole playlist, campfire cooking will be right there. We'll see you next time.